aka Miss Foot Fixer. And we have this wonderful patient here who has some retrograde nail. So you may not have heard about this. It's called retroonychia, when you have multiple layers growing back after one another, and it causes a traffic jam in the nail root, and hence it's quite swollen and red, and it actually was a bit more swollen than before. So what we're going to do is just elevate the nail, remove it. Let's see what's going on here. So it's already lifted, so actually it might be quite relatively easy to remove already. So let's see if there's another nail underneath. I'm just going to go. Okay, removed one retro nail. That's not the nail that I want, but I removed the top bit of the nail. I would like to have that cleanly set, please. Because that is just loads of kind of dry blood. Not very good to have it down there. Harbors infection. Yeah, so that was one nail. That looks like granulation tissue. A little bit of bleeding. So the nail root is very deep. There's a bit of growth. I will send this off to histology. There's a bit of growth down here. Can I have a histology pick, please? And I'm going to just send both samples to see if there's any kind of other germs. So we'll put both in the nail bed. So there's little tiny growths in here, which I'm just going to send it off to biopsy. So anything that's in the nail root that shouldn't be there should always be sent to the biopsy, because things like tumors and things like that shouldn't really be growing from the nail root itself.
Sure.
There's loads of Hello everybody, so we see some abnormal tissue. It could be hypergranulation tissue, but I see it all across the nail root, and I really don't like this. So what we're going to do is refer onwards. When we had a discussion, I said I can do it, but actually it might be better just to refer to have somebody that completely do it, and if there's any kind of anything kind of serious itself. So we stopped the procedure. We've moved everything as much as possible. I'm not going to fiddle around with it anymore. I'm going to send whatever I send to nickel off time to biopsy itself. Thank you.